Did you know long-term satisfaction depends less on chemistry and more on consistent, secure behavior? The signs are subtle but recognizable. In this video, you'll learn to spot them clearly, especially number 9. Most people miss it, and it matters more than the rest. Number 1. Chasing vibes over consistency. Some people get hooked on emotional spikes, dopamine hits, so stability feels boring. You'll hear, "I don't know, the vibe just wasn't there." After they ghost a genuinely good match, that's your clue. What to do? Keep your energy steady. Consistency either calms things down or exposes chaos. Either way, you get clarity. Number 2. Joking about sex, dodging intimacy. They're cool making flirty jokes, but freeze up around honest feelings. That's emotional displacement, swapping vulnerability for control. Your move instead of pushing the physical, offer presence. If presence makes them squirm, emotional depth isn't on the table. Number 3. Fluent in detachment. When someone really likes you, distance is hard. If they're always going with the flow or not labeling anything, they may be used to easy exits. Use this as a filter. If depth meets resistance, loyalty won't grow there. Number 4. A crowd of orbiters. Exes and just friends hanging close can become background attention. Doors stay half open not because of malice, but because it's rewarding. Don't argue, don't compete, step back. High-value people don't fight for a spot, they choose one that's freely given. Number 5. Conflict without repair. Everyone argues, the difference is how they reconnect. If they explode, ghost, or change the subject and never circle back to own their part, growth stalls. Your move model, calm, repair, name the issue, own your slice, invite a fix. If repair is dodged, repeatedly step back. You can't build long-term without repair skills. Number 6. Bristling at collaboration and direction. Healthy partnerships share leadership. Sometimes you set the plan. Sometimes they do. If structure always gets mocked and accountability dodged, teamwork stalls. Hold your frame, invite collaboration. If it keeps getting rejected, you have your answer. Number 7. Allergic to silence. Quiet moments create presence, intimacy without words. If every pause gets filled with noise, oversharing, or rapid topic switches, stillness might be stirring unprocessed feelings. Create calm tension, leave space. They either meet you there or short circuit. That reaction tells you a lot. Number 8. Words say yes. Behavior says maybe. Grand promises, soft follow-through plans, shift texts, slip apologies, repeat. Consistency builds trust. Inconsistency erodes it. What to do? Track patterns, not statements. Set one clear boundary, e.g., let's reschedule once, not twice. If reliability doesn't improve, that's your signal. Number 9. Reframing the past without reflection. Strongest, tell you'll hear. I don't believe in mistakes, or every experience made me stronger. Confidence is great, but growth requires honest review. Bottom line, if someone can't reflect, they can't repair. You can't build long-term without that muscle. No shame, no blame, just patterns. If you're done guessing and want practical ways to read readiness like a blueprint, subscribe. Want more relationship psychology that helps you lead with presence without drama? Drop a like and share your story in the comments. I read them all.